Hi guys, good evening. This is what I cooked for dinner tonight. Plus yung may leftover na fried tuna. Pritong isdang tuna kanina. Ayan. So, as you can see, nakabili ako kahapon ng cauliflower. Halagang 70 pesos na cauliflower. Bumili ako ng carrot. Bumili ako ng beans. Meat. Kaninang umaga bumili ako ng fresh meat doon sa Talipapa. Tapos chayote. It's like you're cooking chop suey, but I do not put tawag nito madaming sabaw tsaka hindi ko nilagyan madaming sabaw at harina. So ayun, as you can see, ayan guys, I cook this live sa YouTube. Ayan, kung gusto niyo mapanood yung diskarte ko kung paano magluto nito, we can it took me 30 minutes cooking, okay? So ayan, we have bell pepper, 2 medium size, small bell pepper, carrot, kinalahati ko lang yung medium size carrot kasi yung natira magpansit ako bukas. Ayan. May meat, pork siya, laman, pork laman. May string beans, okay. So, cooking tutorial, if you want to learn kung paano ko to niluto, nandoon sa YouTube channel. Or if you're watching this in my YouTube channel, just click my live cooking tutorial a while ago. Okay, so thank you for watching guys. I hope you would love to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button in order for you to get notified whenever I posted up a new video. Bye and God bless. Babu.